Good morning, everybody. So I've been wanting to make this video, but I have been under the weather, and then just trying to catch up my own orders with Christmas has been like, But now I'm caught up a bit where I'm like, okay, let me do this. So I had a woman reach out to me, and they do pictures on metal prints, like on metal. And she was like, listen, like I've never heard of them. They're called Vivid Metal Prints. And I'm like, hey, like what's up? And she's like, she shows me a picture that I posted of me and my significant other. And she was like, we love this picture. Like, can we please make you something for free? And I'm like, for what? Like, what do you mean for free? Where's the catch? Where's the catch, right? Well, there is no catch. So she asked me for my address. I sent it to her, and I'm like, okay, whatever. Like, we'll see what happens, right? Then she starts messaging me and is like, did you get it yet? Did you get it yet? Meantime, like, I'm on vacation now. So I'm like, I'll let you know, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I opened the package, guys. I couldn't wait. I had to open the package. It comes with, like, a little leveler. So, you know. Then they sent these little patch things. Look how cute. I love this. Like, I absolutely love this. Like, so adorable, right? Actually, they send you two little levelers. All right, hold on. So at this point, like, I don't know what to expect. So I'm like opening it. Obviously, like, I open this. I'm like, oh my God, like, that's so cute. Like, their packaging was fantastic. And then I look at the picture. Number one, it comes on this frame. It's metal. Okay. It comes with this to where you can, like, literally just put it on your wall. Like, you don't even have to mess with anything. Like, you don't have to worry about it. Like, you could literally send this to somebody in the mail, and they can get it and, like, put it right where they want it. Like, how convenient is that? And then I flip it. Guys, and I'm redoing my room right now, so, like, what? This is, like, perfect timing. Look how beautiful it came out. And, like, that's on metal. Like, and not only did they send me one, like, I was just, you know, they had said they were sending me one, so I was expecting, like, one of these, and, like, okay, like, I didn't even know what it really was. They sent me two, you guys, for free, just to, like, show their product, like, hey, this is what I make. Look how gorgeous. Look at my little foot. Like, oh my God, like, I am in love. I will probably never, like, order a canvas again, because I'm a canvas junkie. Like, this is it. Like, this is for life. Like, this is life. So, long story short, I'm ecstatic. I am a happy customer, and I didn't even, you know, pay for it. They, out of the kindness of their heart, they wanted to send something to me. And honestly, I looked at their pricing, and it's not bad. Like, for the quality that you get, like, I am all about quality over value. Like, I want quality work no matter what the value of it cost. And this is something that I would not mind spending my money on. And their pricing is fantastic. Their pricing is fantastic. I was thinking like $100 because a canvas, $100, you know what I mean? No, guys, no. Like, Vivid Prints, go check them out. Vivid Metal Prints, excuse me. Like, go check them out. I am a happy customer. I am just ecstatic. And if you don't have any, I'm telling you right now, run.